UPS man just came and delivered my new goodies right here, so I'm going to do an unboxing on camera. This is my new stator and rotor for my Evo Harley Davidson. It comes with some nice washers, zip ties. There's my stator. This is the 32 amp. New regulator. This kit was available on eBay from Mid USA for about $150. Pretty inexpensive. So I went with this one. The regulator. It's a beautiful chrome plated voltage regulator with the wire. Looks like the stator. And my new sealed rotor. My old rotor, the magnets came loose on it, like so many of them do. Destroyed my stator. It was working perfectly fine. Had been for a long time. But now I've got the sealed one. So I can put that on there and get my engine back together. That's all.